All right, let's dive right into it. So I got from Liquid Death. This is their squeezed to death flavored sparkling water. All right. I actually enjoy this product line. Everything they do is very tasty to my palate. Also, it does its job, death to thirst. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, just like with any sparkling water, it should always be clear. Let's just pour all that in there. I'm with it. All right. I ended up getting this in a variety pack actually. Um I got this in a variety pack. But it looks terrible. Like there's something in there. I ended up getting it in a variety pack with some other sparkling waters. So I'm excited to know that they're expanding a lot from just like water. I know they do teas and now sparkling water. So I'm super excited. So let's just dive right on it. That is a lot of orange. That's a very heavy on orange. And someone who actually likes sparkling water, because I always have like a bunch, and it doesn't matter what brand. I think orange is one of those flavors, at least aromatic. It falls short. It's there, but it's kind of like you gotta reach for that essence. And this, it's like right off the bat. But I'll be honest with you, it smells like sun-kissed soda. That's what it smells like. So let's just dive in. See, see now this is a company that knows how to put that flavor in there. Now I know this is sparkling water, so a couple of things you got to remember with sparkling water is it isn't supposed to be like a soda. It's supposed to be the essence. It's like if you had a soda and you had a shit ton of ice and that ice were to melt and you still had carbonation. That's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to give you the essence. This is more than an essence. It's actually a mouthful. And yes, it tastes like Sunkiss or an orange soda. And I guess whatever sweetener they're using to give you this sweetness, right? Because it's zero everything. Um, it's there, but you're not going to notice it. And I've noticed with a lot of like flavored items, you can usually taste like the aspartame or the substitute sweetener. It's usually abundant in it, and this is well balanced. And no, I'm not paid by these guys. I just really enjoy their products. And why do I like their products? Because of quality. I think, look what you're getting. It's clear. Zero everything, right? If you're trying to lose weight, but you still love carbonation, you gotta love soda, right? This is flavorful. That orange is like, it's there, baby. It's there. And not even like the rind or whole orange. We're talking like you get the pieces and you eat them and then you're all good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just be like, I'm all in on this. So if you definitely have tried this, let me know in the comments below or any messages you see this video on any social media platform. Holla at your boy. And until next time, guys, thanks for hanging out. Cheers.